Dependable replacement for original equipment. Provides sure fuel line connection. Male thread. Anti-siphon valve. Aluminum. For use with universal brand engines and tanks. 1/4 NPT by 3/8 barb fitting. Male thread, anti-siphon valve. Attwood fuel fittings are suitable for use with leaded, unleaded, ethanol blended and alcohol blended fuels. Threaded fittings have 1/4 male NPT threads, barbed fittings fit 3/8 ID hose. Use thread sealant on all threads. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement anti-siphon valve. Exact replacement to my boat gas tank valve. Works perfectly like the original. Note: I changed both my valve and my gas line to my outboard boat motor. I highly recommend changing both after 10 years of use.